Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in HubSpot marketing software, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in HubSpot marketing software, visit HubSpot's official website. Navigate to the pricing section to explore different plans available. Choose a plan that best fits your business needs and budget. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal and business details in the registration form. Select a strong password for security purposes. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link and click on it. Log into your new HubSpot account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where various marketing tools are available. Start by setting up your marketing preferences in the Settings menu. Integrate your social media accounts by following the prompts in the Integration section. Create your first marketing campaign by clicking on Campaigns in the dashboard. Choose the type of campaign you want to launch, whether it's email, social media, or a landing page. Utilize HubSpot's templates to design your campaign efficiently. Add content, images, and links to enhance your marketing materials. Set your campaign goals to track progress effectively. Schedule the campaign for the optimal time to reach your audience. Analyze your campaign's performance using HubSpot's analytics tools. Make adjustments based on the insights gained from these analytics. Explore additional marketing features like SEO tools and CRM integration. Consider attending HubSpot Academy for more in-depth tutorials and certifications. Stay updated on new features and enhancements provided by HubSpot regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.